Okay, so hi. So मेरा नाम टिया है and I work for a radio station here in Delhi. And as you can see, there's a lot of noise. I live in a PG, a girls PG, ठीक है. And जब मैं कहती हूँ लोगों से ना कि मैं दिल्ली शहर में अकेले रहती हूँ, तो लोग बोलते हैं कि dude, this is so fancy. Actually, it is fancy. It is very fancy. And it's so cool to live alone क्योंकि तुम अब बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हो. सब चीज़ें अकेले मैनेज करना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, पानी का बिल, गैस, ये वो, खाना वाना सब मैनेज करते हो. बिकॉज आई लिव अलोन. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट बनाती हूँ, लंच बनाती हूँ, डिनर बनाती हूँ, चाय बनाती हूँ, सब कुछ बनाती हूँ. बर्तन धोना पड़ते हैं, फिर कपड़े धोने पड़ते हैं, उनको तय करके रखना पड़ता है. तो एवरीथिंग लाइक द होल फैमिली नहीं है, तो आप पूरी फैमिली का काम कर रहे हो. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? दैट इज दैट. बट देन इट इज एक्चुअली फन बिकॉज आप इतना कुछ सीखते हो, इतना कुछ हैंडल कर लेते हो, एकदम सो strong and mighty and stuff like that. तो आज स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज मैं अपने घर जा रही हूँ. So I'm from Kerala and I'm going home after a year and a month. That is 13 महीने, 1 साल और 1 महीने बाद मैं अपने घर जा रही हूँ. And मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस बारे में एक वीडियो बना जाए, आपको मेरे साथ ले जाऊँ. अभी मैं ऑफिस जाऊँगी, 1 घंटे का काम है मेरे पास ऑफिस में. ऑफिस से फिर दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट, एयरपोर्ट से बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट, बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट से केरला एयरपोर्ट, एंड वहाँ से मेरे घर. एंड यू gonna come with me. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, I'm taking a cab and this is gonna be fun. I'm just gonna go to office, finish up some work and then leave for airport. Oh. Okay, so here's the deal. Sukriti has no idea मैं स्टूडियो के अंदर हूँ and वो अभी अपना शो करने आ रही है अंदर. And what I'm gonna do is मैं यहाँ पे छुप के बैठने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे. And this is the studio. This is studio. ये स्टूडियो है, वो यहाँ पे आएगी and हम उसको बू करके डरा देंगे. Okay? So just keep quiet. Just hush रहना, चुप रहना एकदम. Hi!
What the hell? What were you doing there?
Hi! I'm going home!
Oh shit!
So cool!
Bestia, bye.
Say bye! Say bye!
Oh, bye, bye. Have fun. Get lots
Yes,
of things
yes.
for me and enjoy.
Okay, bye! So good.
Bye.
Bye! Just come to say bye. Just say!
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye! See you!
Great time. Bye-bye.
I'm
Enjoy.
Bye, yeah.
Enjoy.
Yes, yes. Kanika!
Bye, bye, bye,
Bye, chickens. Bye, have a lovely time in Kerala. Bye.
Bye! Okay, so अभी मैं स्टूडियो में हूँ. I've just come up to finish some work. And इसके बाद मैं निकलूंगी. 5-6 दिन यहाँ नहीं रहूंगी. I'm gonna miss the office so much. I'm just gonna miss the office so much. But it's okay. अब टाइम हो गया है केरला को निकलने का. So I have to stop nachoing and go. I have to run because otherwise I'm gonna be late. And also मेरी सिस्टर अभी तो 1-2 दिन से she's come to Delhi to visit me. वो दुबई से आई हैं यहाँ and अब यहाँ से मेरे साथ जाएंगी केरला. तो वो भी वेट कर रही हैं. So if I don't run, I'll be late. Bye. And I'm going with my sister. She's here. Hi. Yeah. So finally we've got a cab. Cab मिल भी नहीं थी यार. And we finally managed to get a cab and we're on our way to airport. I hope we get the flight because we are a little late. But I'm sure, very optimistic that we're gonna get the flight. I'm too excited to go home. Bye. So police wale bhaiya is checking our ID and we look nothing like our ID. So he's just wondering if we really are. Yeah, okay. मैं थोड़ी मोटी हो गई हूँ सर, पर मैं Thank you. And that's the go, so we get to go inside. I'm at the airport now and this is how it looks. Pretty fancy, yeah. So we're just gonna find out where our counter is. So basically because I'm on holiday, I'm making my sister do all the work. It doesn't matter, but it's fun. I've got stuff for everybody in the family. So luggage काफी ज़्यादा है and I'm hoping that we get through the luggage part. Waiting. My sister's very slow in doing things. Oh my god, now this is crazy. So the weight that we can take in is 30 kilos and we are 29.8. Neither of us look like obviously. Where is Poonam? Poonam! Hi. Poonam's helping us, it's been very sweet. You can't judge me, okay? I didn't get time to buy anything big for my mom. I bought her kurtas and stuff, but I haven't bought her anything big. And ये पहली बार मैं घर जा रही हूँ after I've got my job. So I'm thinking of buying mom something. And I am right now in Swarovski. How do you say it? Swarovski, I was right. If I hang around too much here, I feel like buying the whole thing. But I have to pick up something So okay, finally I've bought something for my mom. I hope she likes it. And मैं कुछ सोच के नहीं आई थी कि मैं खरीदूंगी, तो मेरे पास ज़्यादा बजट नहीं था, बट फिर भी कार्ड तुम्हारे पास आई. Okay, so this is what I'm buying for my mom. I hope she likes it. This is what it is. Pretty. Thank you, Swarovski. You see? That's the note I've written for mom. On my way to the food court, हम लोग खाना खाने जा रहे हैं. It's been a very weird day because इतना मैं कभी एयरपोर्ट में नहीं फंसी जितना आज फंस रही हूँ. Crazy, but then I bought something for my mom and I'm really happy. Happiest person on earth. So yay. I hope कुछ अच्छा खाने को मिल रहा है. Hi. So we've decided on what we want to eat, and I've bought a masala dosa. Can you see that? That's my masala dosa, and she's bought KFC. So we can share it and we can have both. So I'm gonna eat now. Bye. We're just about to board the flight.
Flying from Delhi to Mumbai. Our flight time from takeoff to touchdown will be 1 hour and 55 minutes.
Okay, we're leaving from Delhi to Mumbai. Okay, so we've reached Bombay and we're just getting out of the flight. And a friend of mine is coming to see me, so I'm very excited. Okay, so my friend has brought some authentic vada pav from me, so I'm just gonna open it inside here. Woohoo! This looks good. Nice. आप खाओगे? Wow, so tasty, huh? Oh yeah. So we're gonna go in for some coffee. I generally don't like Starbucks, but let's see what Mumbai has different from Delhi Starbucks. Okay, so we've got our boarding passes for Kerala, for Calicut from Bombay. The time is 8 o'clock in the evening. So the flight is at 8:45 और हम 10:45 तक पहुंच जाएंगे केरला. चलो भाई, थक गई यार. Okay, so we finally reached Calicut airport and we're just gonna get out. हम आखिरी लोग हैं शायद जो निकलने वाले हैं. डैडी और माँ बाहर गाड़ी में वेट कर रहे हैं. So हमें बस जाके उनको ढूंढना है फटाफट से. हमारा लगेज मिल जाए फटाफट. घर चलो यार, भूख लगी है, नींद आई है. हाँ. अयो, इतनी गर्मी क्यों है? बहुत गर्मी है. But it's okay. Okay, so we've reached the exit of the place and I'm hoping to see my parents ready. Hey baby crying, I'm so sorry, I can't look at you and I'm looking for my parents. Okay, so finally we are in the car and हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. अभी mom dad सब बैठे हुए हैं. Hi. So, yay! Wait, oh! Resort already?
Welcome, Kunyu.
अरे बाबा,
Look at that. Oh my God.
Okay, so I don't know कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. I'm so happy. कल रात को इतना अंधेरा था तब मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाया. And I was overwhelmed कि मैं घर आई हूँ. So this is, I am in Kerala, in my house, around my house actually. And this is really, really beautiful. Where do I start from? That is my house, my beautiful, beautiful house. I'm so proud of the house. So यहाँ पे ना केरला में there is this, I don't know what you call it, I don't know, custom? Not custom. There is this thing that we all do. So when we make our houses, you know, gate के बाहर हमारे family का नाम और the head of the family का नाम and year लिखा होता है. For example, my gate says Plathotatil, that is my family name, Plathotatil. And then Sebastian 1991. So Sebastian is my dad's name. And 1991 is the year that the house was completed. And also the year that I was born in. That is just a coincidence. I'm not very special. or am I? So yeah, that is how the house looks from here. And the crazy fact about my house is that there was no architect. It is my dad who planned the house and who actually got into the literal building of it as well. So yeah, so अभी garden बन रहा है यहाँ. A lot of work to be done. Coconuts पड़े हुए हैं. That's the bullet and the scooty. and the cars. And this is one of the most beautiful parts of the house. ये झूला है. It's made of wood and it's fancy like how. Okay, so that was one crazy day and मैंने बहुत मजे किए. इतने दिनों बाद घर आई. It's fun, it's crazy. Now I'm gonna sleep and for those who are wondering why I haven't taken my kajal off, why I haven't taken my eye makeup off is because I can. I can afford to sleep like this because I sleep perfect in Delhi. Rose wahi routine. Now remove your eye makeup, remove your kajal, then go to sleep. But now I'm actually gonna sleep like this just for today because मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं I just want to be. Okay, so I'm just gonna sleep like this. And for those who are wondering, I've already lied down, so light con off karega. My sister's standing there. I asked her to stand there. She's gonna just turn the light off once I'm gone. So abhi filal I'm gonna go, but then I'll catch you in the next video. It's gonna be something really, really crazy. It's gonna be some bike riding, some banana plucking, cutting, whatever it's called. It's gonna be fun. Okay? And so if you like the video, if you've been liking the travel from Delhi to Kerala, if you like the whole travel thing, subscribe, like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel actually. Anyways, good night. See you in the next video. Bye.